Hey, I cannot start you now. Lost. Yeah, you are so distracted. What did happen if you have a diet? Oh yes, you had a diet. That's Bagwatic. Where are you going? Okay, let's practice our karate fight with the sword. You must calm down with your hands and sword. If you kill, you have to move your hands and I can also starting now. Yeah. Okay, let's practice the sword. Where will I practice our sword? Let's go to the ubos. Wait. Wait! Oh, where are you going? Where are you going, bro? I don't want to start you now. Oh, here you are. Thank you. So let's find my friend. Blues Clues. You should.